Why do hiccups make that sudden, annoying hic sound? Most people assume it comes from a throat, but that's not actually where it starts. So what's really behind it? First, if you have a mouth, click like, tap subscribe, and share this now. A hiccup begins with a sudden, involuntary contraction of the diaphragm, the muscle just beneath your lungs. That quick spasm pulls air into your lungs in a sharp inhale. As the air rushes through your throat, your vocal cords instantly snap shut. That abrupt closure cuts off the airflow and produces the familiar hic sound.